Hunter, is today your 10-month? Is it your 10-month birthday? Can you say, it's my birthday? I'm almost 1. 2 more months. 2 more months and I'll be 1 year old. Would you like a Cheerio? Would you like a Cheerio in celebration? Hey, look over here. Want a Cheerio? Would you like to eat a Cheerio? Hooray! Yum! Good job! Oh, would you like more? Would you like another Cheerio? Oh, okay. 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 Are you talking to Tilly? Tilly's sitting on Mommy's lap. Okay. Can you say bye-bye, everyone? Did you say, I have a Cheerio? I have a Cheerio. This was a long video. Say, bye-bye. Bye-bye.